What if I told you you can make up to $3,000 from copying and sharing other person's videos? I'm gonna show you full proof that this is working, and I'm also going to show you how you can get this done. Alright, so without no long talking, let's go to YouTube. I have already searched for a channel that is doing this and they're making a lot of money. This is a very new channel. It's not an old channel. And as you can see here, over 100,000 subscriber. Their name is Bill Empire. All right. So as you can see, luxurious lifestyle. If you come here where it says about, you can see that this channel was created in 2019 and they got a whopping amount of views, over 10 million. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to do this quick and easy. If you should go to this person's social blade, they're showing that they make 175 to 2,800 monthly, but this is just the estimate. Normally it's a bit higher, so I can guarantee this person is making more than $3,000, but this is social blade estimate, as I said. So this is proof that you can make money from just simply copying and pasting other person's videos, and I'm encouraging you to do this. All right, and if you're getting value from this video, please, I'm asking you, subscribe with the notification bell on, give this video a like, comment and tell me what you think so YouTube can get the algorithm and push my video to more persons. Please remember to leave a like. All right, so if you should go to one of these person video, I'm gonna show you how to make these videos. If you should go to the video right here, what you're gonna see is fancy cars, fancy jet, fancy lifestyle, everything luxurious. All right, and they did not make these videos for themselves. So let me show you 100% proof here. If you should go to their description, in their description, they're gonna show you right here. Here is it, video credits. So that means these are all the persons they got the videos from. So if you should click on one of those persons, it's gonna bring you right to where they got the videos from. All right. So, and these persons, they don't mind you using their videos because you're giving them credit, and other persons are coming here and they're clicking and they're watching more of their videos. So they got no problem with you using their contents. All right. So what you're necessarily gonna do, you don't need to make these videos. You don't need to voice over these videos. So you don't have to use your voice. You don't have to create any videos, and all you gotta do is copy and paste and make money. All right. So you go to YouTube, for instance, you want to use this video that we're now looking at. You would come here where it says YouTube. All right. Before YouTube, you would type PP, or after YouTube, you would type PP and press enter. Whenever you do that, it's gonna bring you to this website where you can download the YouTube video. All right. I want you to download this one if you're interested in using it. All right. So download the video that you want to use in the highest resolution. It's better for you. It's gonna be looking better. All right. So you download 2-3 of these videos, any amount that you want, to combine together to make one. Because if you should download this video and just repost it, it's gonna seem as if you didn't put no form of value to the video. So YouTube normally like when you change the video a bit. So if you download this video, download a second one. All right, download a third one, but the least you can have 2 videos. And what you necessarily do, you would take them to OpenShot or Filmora and you would combine the videos together. All right, so necessarily These videos, they're combined with luxurious lifestyle. They don't have a voiceover. All they got is a song in the background. And I'm gonna show you where you can get that song. You're gonna come here to YouTube Studio. Alright? So here you can find thousands of songs that you can use, and the best part about it is you don't have to worry about copyright. All right, YouTube give us the right for using these songs, and we will still be monetized. So you can come here, you can search for the genre that you prefer, or you can skip through and play the songs and pick the one that you like, and you would put it behind the video. All right, after you combine the videos and you have a full package video from 6 to 8 minutes, you're going to need a thumbnail. All right, so remember the person thumbnail. If you look, you see a car, a guy standing here with a suitcase, and billionaire right here. It's very simple. This is not a hard thumbnail. So I would like you to come to this website called Canva. All right, Canva, it's free. You don't have to worry about paying Canva. You can sign up for free and start making videos, logos, thumbnail. It doesn't matter. All right, when you come to Canva, you would go to thumbnail. All right, so you would get a luxurious car from Pixel or Pixabay, or a jet, whatsoever you prefer. You would put the image here and you would write billionaire lifestyle or some catchy phrase that will attract persons to click your video whenever they see your thumbnail. And it's really simple and easy like that. All right, and if you want to take this to the next level, what you can do, you can put affiliate links in your description, and please remember to add credit for the persons that you took the video from. All right, if you don't add credit, it these persons, they're not gonna like it, and they can have your videos taken down. So please add credit that, hey, this is where I got the video from, etc., and you won't have any problem. But this is how it's done. It's real simple and easy. All right, so let me give you a fast recap. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go to YouTube, you're gonna find videos that you like, you're going to download them, you're gonna combine them together, build yourself a nice thumbnail, and you're gonna upload the video to YouTube, and that's all you will be doing. If you want to make more money, you're gonna sign up to some form of affiliate company like Clickbank, Digistore, JVZoo. There's a lot of different affiliate companies that you can work with. All right, and if you want to do this but you got no time, you can use this website called Fiverr. Fiverr is where you can go and you can find freelancer. I am also a freelancer on Fiverr, and persons here will help you to do anything that you want. All right, so you would come here, you would type in freelancer, and you would find freelancer that best suits your needs, starting from $5, and they will do the job for you if you can't find the time to do this for yourself. All right, so please give this a try and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Come again soon, because we're having a lot more videos like this coming out. I want to say before I go, Online Money is the name of my channel, but it's a bit saturated. I want to change the name to Online Money 022 or Online Money S95. I want my subscribers to comment and tell me what they think of the names, or if they got any other if they got any names for themselves, they can suggest it to me. But the name is saturated. If you should go on YouTube and type in Online Money, you're gonna see a lot of different videos with Online Money, but you're not gonna see my channel. So I most likely want my channel to stand out, and I want to put something to it. So please give your suggestion and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. All right.